What's up, guys? Today we are going to take the Mustang on the first drive ever since the restoration. Let's check the car out a little bit first. 1967 Mustang I bought as a project. Been working on it for a little over a year and a half. Did a full restoration, replaced every body panel. Some frame rails are rusted out. It is a 200 straight 6 original engine. We went with a saddle color interior. It's a 3-speed manual. Legendary wheels, BF Goodrich tires. When I bought this car, it didn't look too bad. Had all the body panels, it was a complete car. Started getting into it and found the frame has been repaired before. It's been rusted out. They pretty much just put a little bit of metal over it and put some putty on it to make it look smooth and painted it. It looked okay, wasn't good. The floor pans have been replaced. I didn't like the job on them. They were up off of the frame altogether. I could fit my hand between the frame and the floor well. Didn't seem right. Put new floors in. Had to do 3 new frame rails on it. Let's pull this thing out into the sun. See how the paint looks. This paint job was the first time I've ever painted a car by myself. I've painted one before with some help. I think it turned out pretty good for just a little home garage paint job. Take this thing for the first drive ever since restoration. Park and brake off and hope. See how it does. Running pretty smooth. Shifting gears. There's third. We're cruising. These alignments pulling a little bit to the left. Not bad. It's cool to drive something this old. Used to all the new cars, power steering, power brakes. This thing is so fun to drive. I'm so glad that it's done. We can enjoy it. I am back from the ride. Car ran pretty good. Pulls a little bit to the left, and he still needs an alignment, and the dash lights don't work. So we'll work on that stuff. But yeah, seemed to drive pretty good. I'm real happy with it. Show this thing in the dark. Some lights on. That's it for this video. We'll see you guys in the next one.